Imagine the universe as a giant orchestra. There are all sorts of instruments playing different tunes: the violins, the cellos, the trumpets, the drums, and so on. Each instrument has its own unique sound, and they all come together to create a beautiful symphony. Now, think of all the different types of energy in the universe as the instruments in this orchestra. There's the energy of motion, the energy of light, the energy of heat, the energy that holds atoms together, and many more. Each type of energy is like a different instrument, playing its own special tune. For centuries, scientists have been studying these different instruments, trying to understand how they work and how they interact with each other. They've made incredible discoveries, but they've always treated each instrument as a separate entity. They've developed different theories to explain different types of energy, but no one has been able to figure out how to put all the pieces together into one harmonious whole. That's where the unified energy equation, UEE, comes in. It's like a musical score that brings all the different instruments together into one grand symphony. It's a single equation that describes how all the different types of energy in the universe are connected and how they interact with each other. Think of it like this: the UEE is the conductor's baton, guiding each instrument to play its part in the grand symphony of the universe. It tells us how much energy each instrument, type of energy, has, how it vibrates, and how it interacts with the other instruments. But why is this so important? Why do we need a unified theory of energy? Well, just like a symphony wouldn't sound as beautiful if the instruments were playing out of tune or out of sync, the universe wouldn't function properly if the different types of energy weren't working together in harmony. The UEE allows us to see the big picture, to understand how all the different pieces of the puzzle fit together. It's like having a map that shows us the underlying structure of the universe, a guide to the hidden connections between everything that exists. This has some pretty amazing implications. For example, the UEE could help us understand how the universe began, how it evolved, and what its ultimate fate might be. It could also shed light on some of the biggest mysteries in science, like dark matter and dark energy. But the UEE isn't just about understanding the universe on a grand scale. It also has practical applications that could change our everyday lives. By understanding how the different types of energy interact, we can design new materials and technologies that are more efficient, more sustainable, and more powerful. We could create batteries that last for weeks, solar panels that can capture every bit of sunlight, and even new medicines that can target diseases more effectively. The UEE is still a work in progress, and scientists are still exploring its full implications. But it has the potential to be a theory of everything, TOE, a single theory that can explain all the fundamental forces of nature. It's a bold idea, but it's one that could revolutionize our understanding of the universe and lead to a new era of scientific discovery and technological innovation.